Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Buick Enclave trunk from the inside. First, it's crucial to understand that this feature is designed for emergencies. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is off before attempting to use it. You'll be looking for a small, glow-in-the-dark handle located near the trunk latch mechanism. This handle is a vital safety component. To find the emergency release, carefully look inside your Buick Enclave's trunk. It's usually positioned on the inside of the trunk lid, very close to the latch assembly. This handle is often T-shaped and made from a durable plastic material. Its glow-in-the-dark property ensures you can locate it even in complete darkness, which is essential during an emergency situation. Once you've located the emergency release handle, grasp it firmly. Then, pull the handle directly towards you with a steady motion. You should hear a distinct click as the trunk latch disengages. After the latch releases, you can then gently push the trunk lid upwards from the inside to open it completely. This action allows for a quick exit if needed. Remember, the internal trunk release is strictly for emergency situations, not for everyday use. Familiarize yourself with its location, but avoid using it for routine access to prevent accidental damage or misuse. Always prioritize safety and ensure everyone, especially children, understands its purpose. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below, along with other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.